How to change active status on Messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to change active status on Messenger. So first just head over to your Messenger application and just click on this menu button at the top bottom right corner, and then just click on this settings. You can see the settings right below your name. So once you tap on your settings, just click on this option called active status under the profile section. So from over here you can just disable it, and you can also change it or disable it for up to particular customizable time, like for 8 hours, for 1 hours, or you can also change it, keep it on like until I change it option. So that means as long as you do not change it, it will be your active session will be disabled. So you can just click on pause and you are all good. So that is exactly how you can easily change active status on Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.